Hey guys, welcome to SGS Gaming. Today we are going to be opening FIFA 17 packs. So let's go. We got Danny, yes! I desperately needed a center attacking midfielder player. Oh, we also got Diego Simeone. We also got 3 badges. The rest I will keep. Wow, we got Martinez. Wow, wonderful. We also got Lalana. And again some players contract, few badges and stadiums. The rest I will keep. So let's open another such pack. We got a striker. He plays for Leicester City. Wow. And again a few badges. I generally quickly sell them because I don't require them. Now we'll open some gold packs. Wow, we got an 84 rated player. Okay, we got some badges again and some kits. The rest I shall keep. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time. Till then, goodbye.